How to find downloaded media files on Telegram application on your iPhone. To find and check downloaded media files on Telegram application on your iPhone, first of all you have to open the Telegram application on your iPhone and make sure that you have logged into your account. Then tap on the settings which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. From there, scroll down a little bit. There you will see data and storage option. Simply tap on that. From there, select storage uses to view the media and files stored by Telegram. If you scroll down there, you will see the size of the media and files downloaded to your device. You can also clear media files by simply selecting it. There you will see pop-up. Simply select that again. In this way, you can easily find out downloaded media files on Telegram application on your iPhone. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.